Amy Sindicic here. Welcome to Idiom of the Day. Today's idiom is carve out a niche. To carve out a niche is to concentrate on a narrow sector of the market. Let me give you some examples. I carved out a niche for myself by specializing in business and medical English. The company would do better if it carved out a niche. It is impossible to serve everyone well. Specialization is the key to success. To carve out a niche is to concentrate on a narrow segment of the market. Today's idiom was taken from 505 Business Idioms and Phrasal Verbs by Clare Whitmell. The link to Amazon is provided. Please visit me at businessenglish123.com. Thank you. I'd also like to comment, I know the videos have been a bit sporadic lately. I'm in a huge new place and the acoustics are not good here. I've had professionals visiting, trying to change the sound. I'm not even able to use my professional microphone. I have to use the one on the webcam because the other one picks up all the noise from the street. So I apologize about the videos not being daily and consistent. I'm really working on improving the sound. That's why I'm back to the headphones. I'll do my best to improve things as soon as I can. Thanks for your patience. Bye.